Harvesting 3 giant zucchinis from one plant. You won't believe this. 3 giant zucchinis just from one plant. This zucchini plant went wild in my garden. Usually you get a steady harvest, but this time it decided to surprise me with this first one is gonna be the biggest one among the three of them. And so let's get started. Let's harvest them. So I'm just getting my garden shear. What do you think about this zucchini plant? Let me know in the comments below if you've had 3 or more large zucchinis like this in one plant in your garden. So I'm gonna grab my garden shear. You can use a garden shear, you can use a knife to cut it. I'm just using my garden shear to cut it. And so we want to cut it close to the stem and also make sure that we're not cutting any of the leaves that are close by. Look at the size of that. It's a huge zucchini right there. So I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to hold it. It is huge. So let's go to the next one. This other one is underneath it, and so it's a little bit tricky, but I'm just gonna try to get in there with my garden shear to cut it. Like I said before, you just have to be careful not to cut the stem with it while trying to cut it, or any of the other branches or leaves over there. See, look at that. Look at the size of that one. Also a big one, and it was still growing. So definitely awesome. That is a meal right there. This the first one would have been like 2 meals or a meal and a half. This is a full meal. And let's grab the third and last one. Look at the size of that. That is not bad for another zucchini from the same plant. So that is it. That's what we've harvested. The 3 of them. Look at these beauties. One plant, 3 giant zucchinis. Who else loves when the garden surprises you like this? Would you cook this or shred them for zucchini bread? Comment below. Let me show you a few other zucchinis I've harvested the past couple of weeks, which is awesome. The garden has produced quite a lot of zucchinis this year, and I just wanted to show you guys. This is one of the ones that we found later on when it was already very, very ripe. So we harvested it. We were able to make zucchini bread with it. And this is another one that we harvested a week later. And you can see there's quite a lot of zucchinis from the garden already this year. We have just doubled our zucchini production for last year, and the season is not yet over. And so I can say the garden is doing really, really awesome. Like, share, comment, save, and follow for more videos like this.